Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. I get a lot of questions at Mission Winners about how do I find winning stocks? What do I look for? And you know, folks, I'll be honest, it is a real quest to figure this out. I've been doing this since 1986 and through the years have found parameters that can help dramatically improve your investing results, improve the stocks that you're looking at for greater gains. And isn't that what you want? Instead of trying to try this stock, try that stock, try this one, why not stratify your results a little bit and increase your potential for making money? So I'm going to show you some things here. Some of this is research from Investors Daily. It's great research from years ago, but it's still relevant. And some of it's my research. Right here, this first slide I'm bringing in here, this is my research. From the September 2007 follow-through day, we owned these stocks. We owned all these stocks. But the key point is this. Look at the numbers. What's the minimum? This is the September 2000 follow-through day. Go in, print this out. Some of these stocks don't exist anymore, okay? But print this out. Go in and look at some of these and the moves that they made. But here's the key point. It's A, the list of stocks, but most importantly, it's the minimum earnings number. Check it out. Here's research I did with my trading partner back then. You won't find a stock on here with less than 40% earnings last quarter. You won't find one. There you go. Do you see what we're doing? Instead of saying, I got to try this and I got to try this. No, systematize, strategize your searches, and you will dramatically improve your potential for making money. Mission Winners. Scan for stocks with high earnings, quarterly earnings, or sales growth. Leading groups and leading sectors. Don't buy low-priced stocks. Positive earnings estimates are nice. That will help you. 40 great stock market winners. 87% of these stocks had earnings up 30% or higher. 71% of them had earnings up 50% or higher. Take the averages, folks. What am I saying? Just under 80% of these stocks had earnings up 40% or higher. I'm going to say it again. Almost 80% of these stocks had earnings up 40% or higher before they made their big moves. That's an edge you can use. 4 out of 5, 8 out of 10 had these huge numbers. Check this out. 86% of them had sales up 30% or higher. 63% of them had sales up 50% or higher. What are we saying there? About 75% of the stocks that made huge moves had sales up 75% or higher. Team, that's stuff you can use. Excuse me, sales up 40% or higher. Average sales up 40% or higher. You can see what I'm saying. So what's the big takeaway? I'm going to cut to the chase. Key on stocks that last quarter's earnings are up 40% or higher. Or key on stocks that average sales for the last 2 quarters were up 40% or higher. You'll make money. It's a fact. Not an opinion, a fact. You guess, well, can you show me some examples? When this stock broke out, way back, and this is a keyless stock from right in here, okay? When this stock broke out, earnings up 275% and sales up 78%. Look right here. Entry right in here, keyless stock. Look at the volume coming to it as it goes. Look at this trend. Look at the move. Folks, entry here, all right, near 90 in February. And, let's see, where's it trading right now? There you go. I guess I call that a living. 90 to 500. There you go. And again, earnings were up 275%. Sales were up 78%. You can say, okay, Pat, do you have any recent ones you can show me? Well, yes, I do. Right here. APPS, recent keyless stock. picked it up right there. VIPs picked it up right there. Look at the volume surge. Earnings up 150%. Sales up 93% before it broke out. That's a good move, folks. We like that. Next one. SSTK, recent buys. This is not, oh, you're looking at the past. No, this is now. Picking up right there. Sucker just broke out. Earnings up 88%. Check this one out. Before it broke out. The next one. Bought it. Pick it up right there. VIPs bought it right there. Look at the volume surge. Earnings up 118%. Sales up 62%. There you go. Do you see how you're building a case for these? We love that. Let's take a look at another one. Here's another one for you. Lazy days. What a name. Isn't that great? Not work days. Lazy days. We're kicking on back. Anyway, I think it's great. But note the base. Great group. Earnings up 999% before it broke out. That's building a case. This was just picked up 2 days ago. Look at the animal go. That's sweet. That's what we're at. You know what that is? That's sweet potato pie is what that is. I'll show you one more here. Fathom Holdings. This just started today. Earnings up 114%. Look at this base. You say, well, gosh, it goes across these tops with volume. That'd probably be pretty good to do, you know. It was on the key list last night. Boom. They bought it, folks. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Guess what? They voted. So what am I saying? I'll come back to it. Focus on stocks that last quarter's earnings were up 40% or higher. And focus on stocks that the average sales for last 2 quarters was up 40% or higher. Focus on stocks in the top 20 to 40 groups. Focus on stocks within 20% of 52-week highs. We stratify things at Mission Winners, and it works. It works. Proof in the pudding, I just showed you some current ones. And right here, boom chakalaka, there you go. That's a 5-fold move, walking on up. This is a daily chart, by the way. Isn't that what you're looking for? And I stress, before this broke out, earnings were up 275%. Sales were up 78%. You don't need both. Why do I do this? To help people. Because I know what it's like to figure it out. It's tough. It's really tough.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.